Hey there, everybody. It is me. I am here to do a review on the folding pocket comb, and I'm just here to do a quick unboxing. There's the back. There's the front. Little side view made in China. I'm here to answer questions that I had questions on these things when I was looking through the internet. And just unbox this real quick. Stay with me. One second. Alright, I got it out. Okay. Just set the box to the side. There's nothing too special in it, just a cardboard box. Alright, so here's the comb. It looks like a real switchblade. This thing is very, very, very light. They're all plastic parts. I mean, if you can hear it. And they're all plastic parts. There's the side. There's no lock on it. Just plastic. So, there's a lock when it's up. It's locked. I mean, I don't know. Uh-oh. 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 Sometimes it will. But slide down to unlock. Just slide it down. See? Just slide it down. It will shoot up. And let's do a quick blade review. It's a plastic comb. Everywhere you see is plastic. What's that say? Stainless steel. This is stainless steel, everybody. So yeah. Just get a quick ruler. So I got a ruler to measure this. And let's do this by inches, because that's how I normally do it. What do y'all think? Fair enough? So this thing, hold on, just make sure. There we go. So this thing is 9. You tell me what it is. There's a 9, but you tell me what that is. The blade itself. Check out the blade. Seems about right. 4 inches. Now, when it's folded, it is looks like 5 inches and a half. Let's just call it that. I got this from a website called thisiswhyimbroke.com. Very good website. It is a very, very good website. They got all this cool stuff on here. This was $3.69. $3.69. Worth it. It is definitely worth it. I can't tell you how light this is. It's very, very light. So I don't know what else to show y'all, but it looks like that can be for a necklace if you just want to hang it out. So this thing goes pretty fast. I mean, let's just see. Okay, pressing the button. There. I'll just drop it right here on the ruler. I mean, you can hear it rattle a little bit. Lock rattles a lot. This shipped in 2 days, and then it delivered to my house in 4. I ordered it last Friday. Today is Thursday, so you should check it out. This is whyimbroke.com. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and yeah, thanks a lot.